GOT9TUM079L Pro is an advanced professional mobile phone bezel frame scratches polishing and grinding machine. Each time polish 3 PCS housing frame max. It works for all smartphone models with exact path data. It can do grinding as well as polishing, just change the polishing pad is okay. Works for both housing frame as well as whole phone. For deep scratches can run for another round. It is mainly suitable for refurbishment factories and second-hand mobile phone recycling companies to carry out batch LCD screen refurbishment. It has the following features. 1. Polish all model phones silver color housing frame, stainless steel without color. 2. For those housing which has color, it can polish matte surface to mirror status. 3. Able to polish all mobile phone housing frame, suitable for iPhone 12 series and newer model, Apple Watch, Samsung, Huawei, etc. 5. No need water, no need waterproof glue, no need paste for grinding, only use customized wax paste for polishing process. 6. Need external air compressor. 7. Both 220V/110V works. 8. CE authorized, using environmentally friendly material without pollution. 9. High cost performance significantly saving labor/time cost compared with traditional ways.